Hi, boys and girls. Please write your name at the top of your paper. Today we are working with short O words. Short O says aw. Our first picture is of a log. Finger stretch log. L, aw, g, log. The first sound I hear is ol. Aw, g, log. Our next picture is of a dog. Finger stretch dog. D, aw, g, dog. Please write dog. D, aw, g, dog. Our next picture is of a pot. Finger stretch pot. P, aw, t, pot. Please write pot. P, aw, t, pot. Our next picture is of a box. Finger stretch box. B, aw, x, box. Please write box. B, aw, x, box. Next, we have a mop. Finger stretch. Aw, p, mop. Please write mop. Aw, p, mop. Our next picture is of a toy called a top. Please finger stretch top. T, aw, p, top. Please write top. T, aw, p, top. Our next picture looks like a balloon that someone is about to pop. Finger stretch pop. P, aw, p, pop. Please write pop. P, aw, p, pop. Our next picture is a rod. Aw, d, rod. Please write rod. Aw, d, rod. Our next picture is of a pod. Finger stretch pod. P, aw, d, pod. Like peas in a pod. P, aw, d, pod. Way to go. Flip your paper over. All right, boys and girls, this side is called How Many Sounds? We're going to write a word, finger stretch that word, and circle how many sounds we hear in the word. Our first word is hop. Finger stretch hop. H, aw, p, hop. Please write hop. H, aw, p, hop. How many sounds do you hear in the word hop? H, A, P, hop. That's right. I hear 3 sounds. Our next word is dog. D, A, G. Dog. Please write dog. D, A, G. Dog. How many sounds do you hear in dog? D, A, G. That's right. 3 sounds in dog. Our next word is box. Finger stretch box. B, A, X. Box. Please write box. B, A, X. Box. How many sounds do you hear in box? B, A, X. I hear 3 sounds. Please circle the 3. Our next word is log. L, A, G. Log. Please write log. L, A, G. Log. How many sounds? L, A, G. Log. 3 sounds in log. Our next word is mop. Finger stretch mop. A, P. Mop. Please write mop. A, P. Mop. How many sounds in mop? A, P. I hear 3 sounds. You're doing great, boys and girls. We're almost there. Our next word is cot. When you go camping, you sleep on a bed that's called a cot. Finger stretch cot. K, A, T. Cot. K, A, T. Cot. How many sounds do you hear in cot? K, A, T. Cot. That's right. We hear 3 sounds. Our next word is jog. Finger stretch jog. J, A, G. Jog. Please write jog. J, A, G. Jog. How many sounds do we hear in jog? J, A, G. Jog. We hear 3 sounds. Our next word is hot. Finger stretch hot. H, A, T. Hot. Please write hot. H, A, T. Hot. How many sounds do you hear in the word hot? H, A, T. Hot. That's right. We hear 3 sounds. Our next word is rod. Finger stretch rod. A, D. Rod. Please write rod. A, D. Rod. How many sounds do you hear in rod? Ah, d. That's right, we hear 3 sounds. And our last word is pot. Finger stretch pot. P, A, T, pot. Please write pot. P, A, T, pot. How many sounds do you hear in pot? P, A, T. That's right, we hear 3 sounds. Way to go, boys and girls. You did great.